Tori and Gap show. Like, don't forget to like,
comment, and subscribe.
I don't want to do no more.
Okay.
I know you ain't started.
This is what we're eating, guys. What your grandma cook?
I'm gonna tell y'all my grandma rating. See, turn the greens color.
Turn the green. Just say greens.
Greens. 2.5. Store about.
You acting like Josh and his damn
Hand.
this shit.
Say, nah, y'all better get your grandma like mine.
Listen.
But she still going to nursing home.
Be quiet.
She doing the ASMR. Oh, there she go.
Asmar?
Popeyes ain't got. Which one is thing looking good? That's Popeyes.
That's KFC.
Who phone? Right here. America Keto.
That's Snuckers.
I'm on here. Shit. Look like they turn my vibes and ignore everybody.
Suge Knight.
God,
thank you.
dry? I didn't even check this out.
Look who my friend list.
Diane. TK and Sam Snuggers a friend with Claire. Them poked her. Eat Snugger.
I feel lightheaded. I know.
Well, eat.
It's my water. Your water. I think you smell the breath.
There's chicken floating in it. That shows.
No.
This shit just like, jeez.
You know, no one. Which one put this shit
Say the best part for you.
The damn salt. You tell her. The other things give it the end. Flavor all gone.
Tastes like cotton candy.
The string beans with the sugar.
You trifling.
I love sweet corn string beans.
I thought you meant your greens.
I put sugar on them too.
Vinegar and hot sauce.
I do that too. Tomorrow we're gonna make a boiled egg. Boiled eggs. Your lasagna.
I've been a squish bug. Squeeze that juice out of my mouth.
Ain't that juice in my mouth.
These potatoes good.
Who got potatoes? Diamond potatoes.
They in the string beans.
That ain't bad from taking don't.
No, I'm just right here eating. Oh my god.
No. Hug yourself.
Can you?
Hug yourself and imagine it's me.
No, I want your hug.
No.
Snuggles is a patient.
When you go brush my hair up.
Girl, who you got to go see?
And I'm going to a movie.
Who go tomorrow?
Why?
Because you ain't got school tomorrow. Why you got school tomorrow?
I got to go today.
Oh no, but we late. It's late.
Oh, like just how we was late to that other movie yesterday?
That was Saturday.
We were still late though. By the time we got there, the movie was been started.
Yeah, just started.
It been started.
Y'all like it?
Yeah.
You like the color?
It wasn't bad, but we just grew up on the first one, so. But I fell asleep like last 10 minutes. And when I woke up, when it was.
Last 10 minutes, Snuggles, you probably was asleep.
Because they kept running and playing.
How long was she
Hey, running
sleeping?
the pen in the movie theater.
How long was she
There wasn't a
sleeping?
lot of people in there.
Come on, Eminem.
Well,
Oh, like about.
me,
I said,
we
what
was
time
playing.
it was outside?
about 20
Rolly
people.
and Granny had to
We
be
was
there to talk.
playing.
And we didn't even pay.
We was playing when the movie got. When the
Snuggles
movie
the whole
was over.
time.
No. You couldn't. They had to go use the bathroom 5 times.
That's how I know the movie was
4
boring.
actually.
You know it's 4.
I can't watch no movie with kids like to talk.
Well,
I can't
I
watch the
can't
movie
watch
with
the
kids,
movie
period.
like I like to eat.
She hit the butt.
Better be mine.
And they were talking to her, so.
Woo!
Glaze up on your shirt.
Ain't no cold.
Cause I just hit a lick.
I drunk too much. You know when you drink too much, you get the hiccups. When you get the hiccups out of
Remember, pass me a bottle of water.
and it feel like you gotta throw up.
Ah,
Girl, get out my mouth.
Get from behind me. I swear to God, I told him to be mad.
What?
Everybody
Then by your body.
You the mama.
Give me a fish and water. Y'all know Take that jail.
Throw away.
Okay.
I didn't want that chicken.
No.
Trifling.
Who she talking to? Ain't no lasagna.
Snuggles, Cloud made some damn cake.
Okay. Chocolate cake. You don't like chocolate.
No, it's a lemon cake with chocolate icing, and it's so good. I
I want some.
I'm ready to go get
I'm
some.
gonna say she got a big cake. She
I know
said she
she-
don't eat sweets. She made it for the chillings. It's a whole half.
I call it the Matilda
Give me
cake.
3 pieces of
The
cake.
Matilda cake was not even.
Dying
Like that.
called Clara.
I want 3.5
Into it.
pieces of chocolate. Well, I want pieces of chocolate.
Keep them gum.
No, 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 no,
Y'all,
no. You know what
I
I'm
ain't gonna
saying?
come over
I'm
here like, ooh.
here. I know.
but it's so good.
Y'all never
I
said
want big
bottle
snow
curry.
chicken.
Y'all never said about a curry.
That would have made me Superman, and then if she turn around and don't eat it, we took a bite of it, but ain't even gonna eat the rast.
I take her piece of pie, crumble it in my hand.
I take your lasagna and smash it
I'll
all
be
across
done
that
now.
phone.
I'm full now.
Ate too fast.
No.
Shoot, I didn't eat everything except for the top part.
Remember, I want some more.
Yo, or gully.
Ooh, I think I eat more. I can't even
Girl, you
talk.
can't even get it out.
Phew.
Hand me that stove regular again. Let's stay with that.
Damn, Dime.
Come on here. I ain't party.
No, you took a dog, didn't you?
Oh, have it.
No piece of chicken fell out my mouth.
Oh, right there in the middle.
Smack my face.
We're telling you you better lay one down.
I was in a food coma for a second. Girl, get on my plate. I want a piece of that pie.
Let me start and hide it because I cannot do it.
Blah, 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 blah.
I nailed stuff out.
That's crazy. When I checked the weather earlier, it's just supposed to be cool tomorrow.
Oh, so it's gonna snow Friday?
Yeah, and it was a 90% chance. Now it's a 45. I lied. It was a 35% chance. Now it's a 45. It's 100% chance of rain. I feel so lightheaded, y'all.
Oh, me, go lay down.
Both
Oh,
of us in the bag.
Oh, that's in
It's
there.
in the
The bag
bag.
ready.
They gave you a fool. Oh, wait, I need something to put my piece of chicken on.
In my mouth.
Get another plate, bud. And put this little joint in.
One piece of chicken.
It's gonna piss her off.
I'm gonna take a bite.
Before you put your plate in the trash, I'm gonna scoop these crumbs in there.
Yeah.
Maya calling.
Run that plate up. Run that up. Right there.
Some more good to see.
What?
Fuck you or your daughter? Did you put in the sweet
Food's
potato?
good.
Dang, guess we supposed to make?
What?
Turkey wing.
Say it to
They don't even sell turkey wings down here, do they?